What is up, everyone? Have you ever been on a wonderful camping trip but felt miserable because you could not take a hot shower after a long day of hiking? Staying clean in the great outdoors used to be a huge hassle. Welcome back to Triplezon. Today we have a brilliant camping upgrade for you. Let's get started. Going camping is an incredible way to relax, but dealing with sweat and dirt can make you feel uncomfortable by the time the sun goes down. Most camping showers require you to hang a heavy, leaking bag from a tree or force you to find your own bucket. That is exactly why the Spacerist portable shower is an absolute must-have for your outdoor adventures. This device combines innovation, practicality, and durability into one compact design. Unlike other products, this electric outdoor shower actually comes with its very own 5-gallon water jug included right in the package. This totally eliminates the frustrating need to search for additional water containers before you leave the house. The jug itself is beautifully crafted from thickened, food-grade PE material. Because it is food-grade, it is completely odorless and safe for your family. This fantastic material makes the jug incredibly versatile. It serves multiple practical purposes beyond just showering. You can safely use it for storing drinking water, washing fresh fruits and vegetables at your campsite, or giving your muddy pets a quick warm bath. On top of that, the robust design makes the plastic highly resistant to heavy impacts, actively enhancing its longevity for years of repeated outdoor use. Of course, a great portable shower needs to have excellent water pressure to actually get you clean. The Spacerist portable shower delivers a steady water flow rate of 1.1 gallons per minute. This gives you a satisfying and refreshing spray that easily rinses away thick soap, making it feel just like your shower back at home. To power this continuous water flow, the system is electric and comes equipped with two completely removable and rechargeable batteries. Having two separate batteries is a massive advantage when you are far away from a power outlet. Together, they seamlessly provide up to 100 total minutes of continuous use. That is more than enough time for your entire family to get washed up over a long weekend camping trip, ensuring a completely reliable experience without any stressful power concerns. You simply swap the dead battery out for the fresh one, and you are immediately ready for another fantastic wash. One of the biggest problems with hauling water in your car is the constant fear of it spilling. Spacerist completely solved this headache by engineering an absolutely brilliant sealing system. In fact, this highly innovative design is officially licensed under a United States patent for its unique water jug structure. When you are ready to pack up and drive away, the shower head fits securely right into the mouth of the jug and is tightly sealed shut. This incredible seal completely prevents any annoying leaks, even if the jug is accidentally inverted or shaken vigorously while driving down a bumpy dirt road. To make it even more secure, the designers included a premium silicone waterproof ring beautifully combined with a smart rotary locking system. This excellent combination provides heavy-duty double protection, ensuring a completely reliable and mess-free travel experience every single time you pack it in your trunk. You never have to worry about finding a huge puddle in your back seat again. When it comes to outdoor camping gear, smart portability is essential. The Spacerist portable shower was meticulously designed with easy travel strictly in mind. The electric shower pump and long hose can be quickly attached directly to the water jug for immediate use, and then easily separated as needed for quick drying and packing. To make your life even easier, Spacerist generously includes a remarkably large, durable mesh bag right in the box. This breathable bag is perfect for easy travel and safe storage. It securely keeps the water jug, the shower head, the flexible hoses, and the extra batteries together in one compact package. Because the storage bag is made of mesh material, it allows any leftover moisture to easily evaporate, completely preventing any bad smells or mold from forming while the gear sits in your garage. This portable shower truly offers a highly efficient way to always enjoy top-tier cleanliness during all of your exciting camping trips, making it an essential companion for passionate outdoor enthusiasts everywhere. Are you ready to stop feeling totally filthy and start enjoying perfectly clean outdoor adventures? Check the price link in the description to pick up this amazing portable shower for your next trip today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more fantastic product showcases just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, have a wonderful time in the great outdoors, and we will see you very soon.